So guys, right here you can see I'm with Infinix smartphone, and today I want to show you how to unlock this phone in just a minute. So watch this video, don't skip, don't wipe. Please like this video, comment and share this video. God bless you. If this is your first time coming across any of my video or coming across this video, please follow me, comment, like and share. So let's get started. So let me turn the back side. Can you see this is Infinix smartphone? And what I will do next, let me power on the phone. This is the power on key, the power button. So let me press and hold it. On to go. Wow. So we have boot up the phone. So let's wait for the phone to on. So right here, as you can see, there is a password. The screen is not bright. So there is a password here. So what I will do is for me to shut down this phone. So I'll press the power button here. I'll press and hold it. Now we have option to power off. So let me power off the phone. Yes. So the next thing I will do is for me to boot this phone into recovery mode. So to boot this phone into recovery mode, so can you see we have volume plus, we have volume minus, then we have power button here. Can you see power button? So what I will do, I'll first of all click the power button for 2 seconds and I will now click the volume plus immediately. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah. So now let's wait and see something. Wow, can you see? So we have booted the phone into recovery mode. Can you see no command? So what we are going to do is for us to click the power key. Can you see? It's a power key. Click and hold it. Click the volume down. Click the volume up. Here we go. Can you see? So now we have booted the phone into recovery. So the next thing that we are going to do here is for us to go down the way we have wipe data factory reset. So by doing that, you need to use your volume key here. You use the down volume key. You do like this. You click it. You go down. You go down. You go down. Can you see now? So click this one. Wipe data factory reset. So click the power button key to activate. Then here is asking to cancel. So we don't want to cancel. We want to flash it. We want to remove the password. That means we are going to do factory data reset. So click this one, the volume down to move this. Then click power button to activate. So see something? It's running now. It's running now. So let's wait. Okay, we are done. So the next thing is for us to reboot the phone. Can you see? We are going to reboot the phone. Just press the power button key. And you're good to go. So let's wait for the phone to on. So right now, can you see the phone is on now? And can you see it's telling me to select language? So right here, I will choose English, United States. So let it be this one. Then I'll click start. So right here, it's telling me to select country. Okay, let me go over to my country. So this is my country. Then I'll click on this one. So here it's asking me to connect to network. So I'll skip it. So now I cannot pass this place because it's asking me for network. So I need to connect my network. So to connect it is simple. So this is my Wi-Fi. So you need to on your Wi-Fi to connect this. So let me on my own Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is here. So let me put password. Okay, let's wait for the connection. So while we are connected, so terms of use, yes, I'll click this one. Yeah, then I'll click next. Okay, let's wait. So right here, can you see it's asking me to copy apps and data. So for my case, I don't want to copy it. So I'll just click here, do not copy. Okay, just a second. Let's wait. Okay, now it's checking. So now it's asking for a password. So this is the problem now, because for me, I don't know the password. So I need to bypass this password so that I can open this phone. So I don't know the Google account for this phone. So what I will do now is for me to go back, because I need to bypass the password and Google account. So I will go back. Let me click completely and go back. Okay, fine. Yes. Can you see now? There's no option for emergency call here, because I'm supposed to use emergency call to run this. So there's no option for emergency call. And as you can see, this phone is locked by Google. Can you see this phone is locked? So what I will do now, I'll put SIM card. So we are going to use SIM card for this tutorial. Let's try SIM card if it's going to work. Okay. Can you see I'm with SIM card right here? So let's try if SIM card is going to work. So here can you see it's asking for pin, yes, for the SIM card. So let me click emergency and try if it's going to work. So here we go. Still asking for this, so it's not going to work. So what I will do now is that I'm going to remove the SIM card. I'm going to remove the SIM. Okay, in fact, let me do this way. Okay, let me put the password for the SIM card. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go. Incorrect. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, and go. Okay. So now what I will do now is that since I've put SIM card and it's not working, so let me use another method. So let me go back like this. So I'm going to change language. I'm going to change language. Okay, let's try this one. Let me use this language. Can you see? I'm going to use this language, this particular one. So I'll click on it. Okay, and I'll click here. Can you see? Click here. So here we go. So I'll click this one. Then I'll click here. Then I'll click here. Then click here. Okay, now here, click here, do not copy. So here, can you see, still asking me for the password. So I'll click this one. So here, I'll do like I want to type something, right? Can you see? So I'll click and hold this one. Here, can you see? So we have this option. Can you see this option? So this is what we are looking for. So we are going to click it. So right here, can you see we are here? So we are going to unlock this phone right away. So can you see? Click here. Then go down, scroll up, go. Can you see this one? Click this one. Then click here. Click the second one. So let's wait. Here we go. So come here. Change this to English. Press and hold it. Click here. Here we go. So click delete. Type delete. So here we found. Can you see this one? Delete or disable apps on Android. Click this one. Click this one. Click this one. Click here, share. Sorry, click here, share. Click here, click this, Phonex, click this. Can you see Phonex? Open it. Click here. Click this X. Open it. Okay, type VROM. VROM. Can you see VROM stroke bypass? Can you see VROM stroke bypass? Click this one. So can you see VROM stroke bypass? Can you see this first one? Click it. So can you see VNROM? Can you see? Then here we have smart lock. So click on this smart lock. Can you see smart lock? Click here and open. Click this one. Click it. Okay, wow. So we are here. So what you will do here is that the password that was here is pattern. So we are going to use pattern. So click this first one. Can you see? So I'm going to draw my own pattern now, which is this one. Sorry. Can you see? So I'll click here. Then I'll draw again. Then I'll click here. Then I'll click here. Then click here. So we are done now. So let's go back. So let's go back. So now let's change it to English. English United States. Click start. Okay. My country. Then click next. Okay. Use mobile network for setup. Click this one. Continue. Click here. Next. Click this one. Do not copy. So here you are going to draw the pattern that you drew. Like this. There we go. So let's wait. So now you can see that we have option to skip. So I'm going to skip it. So let's skip it here. Just a second. So here you can review Google service terms and condition. Accept. And we go down and click OK. So here we are going to skip it. Skip here. Then it's asking us to put your lock. Next. So let's start the phone. Start. So we are done now. Can you see now? The phone is fully okay now. There's no password again on the phone. I love you guys and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you.